Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you know why moon is having various types of shapes? Sometimes you will find him like a little finger, sometimes the entire round in shape. There are scientific reasons, but today I will tell you mythological reason behind moon having various shapes. Why moon have so many shapes? This must be haunting you all, or you must be wondering about all these things. What happened? Once there was a king whose name was Raja Daksh, King Daksh, and as per various mythological books, he was having 24 daughters, and all these 24 daughters got married to moon. So, but out of these 24 daughters, one daughter named Rohini, she used to have intense love with moon, and in turn moon was also having intense love with Rohini, one of those 24 daughters of Raja Daksh. Remaining 23 sisters, they got little bit jealous and envious about this, that why moon loves only Rohini, not us. So with this complaint, they went to their remaining 23 daughters, they went to their father, King Daksh, and they complained about this nature of moon, that even he has married to us all 24, but he is only loving Rohini a lot. Listening to this, Raja Daksh became very angry and he cursed the moon that very soon you will vanish, you will disappear, your existence will no more be there. So listening to this curse, moon got worried that he has been cursed, that he will disappear. So what moon did, he went to do one tapasya on behalf of, he went to do tapasya, which in English, which we call it as austerity. So he did tapasya, where he did tapasya what we known as Somnath temple in Gujarat. That is one of the Jyotirling in Gujarat. Somnath temple, you must have heard. So he did tapasya over there and tried to make Lord Shiva happy. So after his prolonged austerity and tapasya, Shiva got happy, God Shiva, and he appeared in front of moon and asked, "My dear moon, what do you want? And I am very happy with your tapasya or austerity." He told God, "My father-in-law, Raja Daksh, King Daksh, has given me a curse that I will disappear, I will vanish." Listening to this, Lord Shiva told, "Since he has already cursed you, we cannot remove that curse, but yes, we can reduce that curse." He told you that you will vanish. You will not vanish, but of course your shapes will change. You may disappear, you may vanish to a certain extent, but you will never disappear from this planet. So that's why moon is having different shapes, right from a little finger to a round in shape, but he never disappears. This is the story behind this, and nowadays we worship that place where he has done that tapasya as Somnath temple in Gujarat, which is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Hope you must have liked the story or the mythological reason behind the various shapes of the moon. And if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it, and do not forget to press notification button. Thank you.